Welcome to your dream home located in the serene Cedar Canyon area. This newly renovated residence offers a walkout basement and is a testament to luxury living. Nestled on 4.14 acres of picturesque, wooded terrain, the property boasts unparalleled tranquility. Revel in the seamless fusion of modern elegance and natural beauty as you explore the meticulously updated interior. With 270 feet of frontage on Cedar Creek, you'll be captivated by the soothing sound of nature. This residence offers a rare opportunity to embrace spacious living and scenic landscapes, creating an idyllic retreat for those seeking a harmonious blend of comfort and nature. The beautiful exterior boasts a mixed material facade that creates interest, personality, and dimension. Inside the home, the multitude of windows allow for so much natural light, and you'll notice beautiful stained glass elements in some of the rooms. Spend relaxing evenings on the couch in the living room, enjoying some downtime in the incredible view right outside of your window. The stunning, updated kitchen boasts white cabinetry, contrasting beautifully with the darker gray countertops, subway tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. You'll have plenty of space to cook and store all your kitchen essentials, as well as the perfect adjacent dining area to share your culinary creations. An additional living space with a floor-to-ceiling fireplace has sliding door access to the screened-in back porch with a view of the deck and woods. The 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms allow for plenty of space for everyone. If you love entertaining, the lower level is complete with a bar area and a living or rec space. Outside, the sprawling deck and gazebo offers a serene escape into the beauty of the surrounding nature. Don't miss out on this beautiful home on a private setting. Call Richard Rutledge for more information on this gem.